So right now we're inside the Mapols Farm. Hello everyone, it's me again, Tracy May, and yes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I am with
It's me again.
So today we have decided to have our dinner date with Mapols.
Yeah.
So
I'm
way
excited.
back February, I don't know.
14. It's 14, I think.
It was a February.
Something.
We joined this photo liking contest, and thanks to you guys, we won.
Yes!
And yes. As part of the victory, we are going to have this dinner date for two, and aside from that, we won this thing.
Woo!
So
Are you
explain to the explain
Of
to
course.
this.
Okay, inside this envelope we have. Oops! I did it again.
Okay, go.
Okay. Okay, napalog.
Okay.
Hindi ako nakapot yan sa camera.
Okay. So we have here, of course, cash. How much is it?
2 million pesos.
Worth 2 million pesos.
Thank you, Mapols, for
Yeah.
giving us 2 million.
Yay! And of course,
Vicky Bello!
we have these facial gift brochures.
From Vicky Bello. Thank you so
Yes.
much, Vicky Bello, for this one.
It's like a beauty essential facial care center gift certificate
With laser and facial mask.
3 sessions per gift check. I
Yes.
don't know.
Something certificates.
So, again, thank you so much, Mapols, and thank you so much for all those likes, comments, and shares
Yes, thank you
with our
guys.
photos. Thank you so much. And now we are going to Mapols Farm to have our dinner there, of course, with her.
Yes, I'm with her.
And yes, Tikana! We're go. Okay, I'll see you there, guys. Bye!
Bye! Let's go!
So right now, guys, we're inside the Mapols Farm.
Yeah, welcome.
And just waiting for 6:30 because it's the call time for the dinner, and it's still
6, I think 6, around 6, 6:05.
yeah, 6:05. So
While waiting, we're going to have a tour around the Mapols Farm.
let's go.
Woo! Follow us on Instagram.
Follow me at Trent Maleng.
Follow me at Jollibee. Okay? Don't you forget.
Links will be down below.
Yeah. Bilisan mo, Tracy. Pala niyo kami. Ngayon, ang tawag dito sa Mapols? Ano yun? Stairway to Heaven. Yeah. Stairway to Heaven. Ah! Nakita ko ng aking papa.
Hindi, ito yung road for forever.
Sige.
Saan na po kami?
Kailan pa po ba natin ang grasya?
Gusto ko na pong mag-dinner. Gusto ko pong pumunta kila Pol at mag-dinner. At saka mag-deska.
Tapos kami lang ba?
Oh! I'll take this opportunity to shout out to all SK chairman of Pototan.
And also to my SK Chupapis.
They're still preparing our dinner and we took some pictures. Insert pictures! So we are going to eat now.
Yeah, we're on our way to the table. Here at the tables.
Hello. Hello. Diin kami. Ah, okay. Oh! Food is ready. Legit dinner.
The picture na yan, ano
So excited. Ng dinner namin, brown out. Para kami makakakain pag brown out.
Kumakain pa rin ako.
Wala na akong makita. May ilaw. Isang ilaw na lang natitira. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Brown out, Pototan.
Tug! Tug! Nung count na?
Long thank you.
Naman ko, boss mo. Ang kain lang.
Thank you for the lights. Nang liyaw ko ba yung cellphone ko dyan ako? Yan. Thank you. What time is it? 7. Oh! Hey!
Happy New Year!
Woo! Thank you for your effort. Thank you.
My birthday.
Yay! Congratulations! Kaya pa? We're done eating. We're so full.
My son is very Again, thank you so much, Mapols Farm, for letting us
Have our dinner and
here, and
for
the food is great. You are great, and
Great!
but we are greater.
That's we are greatest team of
Thank
you so much and bye!
I love you.